This is the solution video for question 17 from paper 2 of the 2019 TMUA or CTMUA exam. In this question we get told about a multiple choice question which offered the following four options relating to a certain statement. A. The statement is true if and only if x is greater than 1. B. The statement is true if x is greater than 1. C. The statement is true if and only if x is greater than 2. And D. The statement is true if x is greater than 2. We're then told exactly one of these options was correct. So which one was it? So how do we go about this question? Well, let's go through one by one, presuming A, B, C and D are true, and see what else it implies is true. So let's look at A. So the statement A is true. So that means our statement is true if and only if x is greater than 1. Well, let's look at B. If x is greater than 1, well, we've got if and only if here, so we know our statement's true. And so B holds, so A implies B. And that means A can't be the answer, because if A is true, it means B is true as well, and we know exactly one of the options is true. So let's try B. Suppose B is true. So B shouldn't imply A, because if and only if isn't the same as if. And so we're looking at, does B imply C or D? Now, D looks the weaker statement, so let's look at D. So let's suppose x is greater than 2. Well, that means x is greater than 1. And x greater than 1 implies that the statement is true. So x greater than 2 does imply the statement is true. So D holds. So we know B implies D, which means B can't be our answer. Finally, let's suppose C is true. So the statement is true if and only if x is greater than 2. Well, this is much like our A implies B case. If x is greater than 2, well, statement C says our statement is true. So D holds. So C implies D. So if A implies B, B implies D, and C implies D, what we've got is A, B, and C can't be the answer, so D must be our answer, and so our result is D.